Oh, Mabuza sokhona. Ngahlala phasi. Ngahlala phasi. Tell me, uyenze kuphi LLB yakho? Hayi ungangiphenduli manje. Uzimisele ngani njengoba wenza ama-articles akho uyi-candidate athini? Uzimisele ngokuthi mawuceda uzoqala ifirm, umele abantu, ugcina unama-candidate atheni, unama-client and be this best attorney in the town. Is that what you want? But it doesn't show. I'm looking at your work. You show no understanding of the law. You show no commitment on being an attorney one day. No wonder you failed your board exams, my boy. Look. Ngizobuza izinto ezimple which you have failed to do. Uba sevile bameli basonto Skhosana lo divorce no Themba Skhosana. You had to prepare trial bundles. Azange prepared the trial bundles, and this is a contested divorce, and we are representing someone who had paid us, and I have paid you last month. I'm going to pay you makuphela lenyanga lena kodwa wena i-commitment awuyikhombi. All you know ukuthi uvuke ekseni ushaye ima-perfume adurayo ugqoke isuit ugqoke utie, tell everybody that when you are a candidate attorney, but you know nothing. No, ungabuki phasi. I'm not like attacking you. Ngikhuluma ngededication onayo emsebenzini wakho. You don't show commitment. You don't show that you are here to learn. But mina, what is surprising about everything is that mina, I always show up when it's month end and pay you. Do you know ukuthi bangaki bantu abafuna ama-articles la ngaphandle abangawatholi? And when you are ruining this good opportunity. Let me ask you another question. We have an urgent application coming on Wednesday. So it's a bill notice of motion go Van Wyk construction attorneys. No, we are representing who's that man? Mr. Smith. He's suing Van Wyk construction, and they are even now. I think you don't know who are their attorneys. They are the attorneys of the Van Wyks. Is, let me check because I was looking at the paper 7 now. It's Van der Walt attorneys. Have you served Van der Walt attorneys who are representing Van Wyk construction? You look surprised. But I'm sure you know well what is happening on Uzalo. You know, I'm quite sure you know what is happening Umkoka on all this series, and even on cases that this firm has nothing to do with. There are cases on TV right now. You watch them. You want to be advocate so and so. But when alamsebenzini, you are showing no commitment. Good one day, ufuna kuba ingaka yommeli. Let me tell you, my boy, I didn't get here by just waking up in the morning and then I prayed and I got where I am. Get out of my office. Don't close the door. It's an open door policy in this firm. Now, stop closing the door. And yeah, also before you leave, when you get to your desk, use the laptop I gave you to write me an email on why I should have you as an employee of my law firm. Because I have a reputation to keep.